Hi, I'm Tom Schultz, Senior Business Manager at Icron Technologies. I'm here today to tell you about Icron's latest product, the USB 321 Starling 3251C. The Starling 3251C is a bus-powered USB 3 extender that is backwards compatible to USB 2 and 1. On the local unit here, we have our USB-C connector. This provides the host connection as well as power to the unit. There's also a 5-volt DC jack here if you need the extra power for the legacy systems. On the opposite side, you've got your link connector here, as well as your programming buttons and your programming jack interface. On your remote unit here, you've got the opposite. You've got your Type-C device connector here. And again, on the back, you've got your link, programming button, and programming input. So the Starling 3251C is a fixed range extender. It comes with its own 10-meter cable. This cable can be in Platinum or CM fire ratings. The cable must be used with the product. You can't use your own cable. You can't terminate your own cable. However, we do provide a cable pull-eye. If you have any issues routing through conduits, this will let you get through that without damaging the unit. It just snaps on there. The Starling 3251C is available today. You can learn more at www.icron.com, as well as check our where to buy page. Thanks.